All right, welcome back, guys and girls, to another episode of myself. So I hope you're having a fantastic day or had a fantastic day wherever you are. So we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price in just a second. Again, it's crazy. Bitcoin yesterday dumping, and today we were pretty much back earlier where we started. Um, just on Sunday. What day is it today? It's Wednesday today. What day was that? Monday. Yeah, we're back where we started. So in yesterday's episode, if you were with me, I did say just right here, Bitcoin dumping, but don't panic, stay cool. And that's the reason why I said that is because again we can see here that Bitcoin reversed, and at one point we did go up 5%. From, well, I know some people got a trade in at 66k, so they're up 5, or not now, but they were up about 6%. So things can happen so fast in Bitcoin, with crypto, and there's no need to panic. And that's another reason why I did that video yesterday. You can go and check out that video. We are currently still inside this huge consolidation period, this consolidation zone, I should say. Bitcoin is remaining boring for now for about 104 days. So where are we going in the short term? We're going to go into that in just a second, where I think we're going to go short term and long term, what this could mean for the altcoins, etc., etc. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead, subscribe to it, smash the like button, even smash the dislike button. Just do it for the algorithm. That'll be perfect for me, and leave any comments in the section below. So just going over some quick news. I wanted to talk about Vechain, also 5 cryptocurrencies that are under $1 that you could potentially invest in. And remember, whatever I say is not financial advice. Read the description below. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research, and don't trust anybody 100% on YouTube, on any social media platform. Only trust in yourself. All right, so jumping over into Vechain. What if, just hear me out on this, because we've had that ETF for that spot ETF for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. What if Vechain gets its own ETF? Could this be a possibility now that Ethereum has been approved? Well, the reality is most likely it will be something like Solana or another top 10, top 20 coin. Could this? I have no idea, but it was just some news that I just read today. In fact, I mean, this was published back in May. I don't even know why I didn't see it. I hold some Vechain. So could Vechain's price do 100x if this happens? Of course it could. I mean, if an ETF comes for Vechain, it would be absolutely massive. And the recent approval of the Ethereum ETF has ignited discussions across the entire crypto space, and a lot of community members pitching in with their preferred cryptocurrency. So one of them that people think deserves attention is Vechain. So if you don't know what Vechain is, you go and check them out. Basically, in a nutshell, it is the supply chain in blockchain, basically, and I think it's the #1 supply chain in blockchain. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments section below. But could we see 100x price increase? So what is Vechain right now? I have no idea. Let's check. Let's have a look. Vechain is at 3 cents. So 100x from here, well, why not? I mean, I don't think it will. Just purely because we're at 2 billion, 2.2 billion, and we're sitting at 48. So that means we'd have to do a massive market cap. 100x from here, 200 billion. No, that'd be more than that. That would be 10x. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not a mathematician, but anyway, you can do the math. So 100x from here. No, that would be 200 billion. Would it be 200 billion? Anyway, you do the math. I have no idea. But yeah, I don't think that will happen. I can't see it happening. What I could see is Vechain going to 50 cents. I mean, maybe that's being conservative, but can see Vechain going to 50 cents. We went all the way to 28 or 30 cents in the last cycle. Let's just check. What was it? 27 or 28 cents. So we're still down 88%. So for me, Vechain is a really good buy, but that's just me. I mean, we did have a leg up, but we've come all the way back down. But for me, yeah, it's quite cheap, Vechain, for what it is. And I think these guys will continue to build bigger and better things. Don't think it's going anywhere. I think it's a really legit blockchain to invest in. Of course, we just have to wait for Bitcoin to lead the way. As soon as that starts popping, then the rest of the altcoins will. And so Vechain could be one of those. If you're a bag holder in Vechain, I'm not a bag holder, but I do have a few thousand Vechain. But let me know if you're a bag holder and if you think we could see I think 50 cents would be very conservative. I think we'll go past the last all-time high of 28 cents. Some people are saying $1 for Vechain. I've heard that a lot. But yeah, 50 cents I think could be a possibility this bull cycle. But for sure, I do think we'd go back up to the last all-time high. So if we do go back up to the last all-time high, that would still be a 10x. So there, I can do a little bit of math for you. So that'll be a nice 10x again in Vechain. And that is exactly one of the coins in the top 5 under $1 that I wanted to talk about. Wait there, my mouse is dead. All right, so we have Cybro. This is a pre-sale. I have no idea what it is, but here it's just saying, yeah, it's one-of-a-kind marketplace that leverages the native yield potential of the Blast blockchain. Cybro offers early investors to enter the project on favorable terms by joining the Cybro token pre-sale. So yeah, for this one I have no idea. You'll have to let me know what this pre-sale is. The other ones I obviously do know. So we have a Hedera under $1, so this has been trading between 10 to 12 cents. Vechain, like I've just mentioned, is trading between 3 to 4 cents. We have Pepe, and we have Polygon. Is Polygon still under $1? Right there, Polygon. Okay, where is it? Polygon. Is it Polygon? Yeah, 64 cents. All right, so yeah, you've got those 5. For me, I mean, Pepe, meme coin, people are being going crazy for it. If I were to pick out of those 5, 2, I'll go for Vechain and Polygon. I don't hold any Polygon. I hold Vechain. If you want to gamble with meme coins, go ahead and get Pepe. And then for the other 2, Hedera and especially Cybro, it's pre-sale, so anything could happen. But you go and check them out and let me know in the comments section below. But if I was picking 2, it would be Vechain and Polygon. For sure, legitimate company behind them. Infrastructure's there. It did well in the last bull run, and I expect them to do really well this bull run. So again, for Polygon, I mean, we're what, 64, around 64 cents. Been trading between 64, 72 cents. So Polygon for me will do good things this year. I don't remember where Polygon went last time, but I expect them to do well this year. You can't really go wrong with Polygon and Vechain. So let me know what you think to those 5 coins under $1, or maybe you have all 5 of them. Let me know in the comments below. So just moving on, before we look at the technicals of Bitcoin. So today, I believe, Mr. Donald Trump calls for all remaining Bitcoin to be mined in the US in his latest pro-crypto push. And what's funny is Mr. Trump, not so long ago, called Bitcoin and crypto a scam, and now is all for crypto, and he wants the last remaining 10% of crypto. So, I mean, it's incredible to think that 90% of Bitcoin's 21 million supply has been mined. Just shows how scarce Bitcoin is becoming. There's only 10% left to be mined. So if you think there's only, I mean, if you take gold as an example, there's probably plenty of gold still out there, but there's only so much. If you know that only 10% is left to be mined, then of course the scarcity will make gold even more popular and more valuable. And it's the same principle with Bitcoin. I mean, people are just not understanding this. For the majority of people are not understanding this, that there's only 10% of, and you could argue that Bitcoin, obviously it's digital gold, but it's a lot more scarce than physical gold. So in over 100 years, 120 odd years, we're going to see no more Bitcoin. It'll be completely finished, and that's it. So Mr. Trump, what did he say? He wants, let me just, where was it? I did read it earlier. Where was it? But yeah, he wants the last remaining Bitcoin to be mined basically in the USA. So here we go. All the remaining Bitcoins will be made in the USA, claiming it would help the country be energy dominant and that it may be our last line of defense against a CBDC. All right, so that's Mr. Trump. The other thing is, so yesterday we had the CPI data. Today we're having I think right now it's the FOMC meeting, so the FOMC, and I believe they are cutting interest rates. I don't remember exactly what I just saw, but anyway, it's live. You can go and check it out now. It's live right now, and it's another reason why probably yesterday Bitcoin was all over the place because of the CPI data. And if you've been following me, you know full well that I don't trade. I only do swing trading anyway. I do look at the technicals for all those that are interested in day trading. So from time to time, I'll look at day trading as well. But for myself, I only jump into swing long positions. So yesterday we had the CPI data released. Today the FOMC meeting is the FOMC meeting is happening. So it's probably the main reason why Bitcoin had this huge volatility to the downside, and then we've just swung back up again. So that's probably the main reason to all this. So jumping into the technicals just to finish the episode then. Bitcoin right now is trading at almost 70k, 69k. We did come all the way up to 70k, but right now we've just come back down a little bit. So short term, what we need to see, like I've mentioned last week, we need to see a retest of the $71,500 level. So we still need to come up here, or this could just be a step down and another step down to the downside. If we break past 66k, then we could easily fall, in my opinion, straight down to these levels of 62k and then straight down to 58k. So it is a bit touch and go at the moment, but overall, like we're going to see in just a second, I still believe that at the end of this year we're going to see $100,000 Bitcoin. It's just whether or not we're going to have a massive rally to the upside this summer. Personally, I think we will. Then in September we're going to have a dump like we normally do in September. Just go and look at the charts in September. Usually we have a massive crash in September, or pullbacks, whatever you want to call it, and then from October all the way through to early January we have those explosive moves. Now, no Bitcoin cycle is ever the same, but they rhyme. You've probably heard that a lot. And like this cycle, we've had meme coins pop left, right and center. Usually that comes after Bitcoin has led the way, but meme coins the past year, 18 months, they've just been going absolutely bonkers. Speaking of bonkers, think of bonk, it's up 10,000% over the course of 1 year. Other meme coins are up thousands of percent. So just jumping back to Bitcoin, short term, what we could see is another retest of that 71,500. I really believe July, August, we could easily jump out of this consolidation. Remember, this consolidation has been going on for 104 days. The longer this goes on, the bigger the volatility, and I think to the upside. So we could just skyrocket up to 85, 90k. So what I'm saying, just my opinion, of course, not financial advice. If you're going to trade this, wait for the breakout. If we're going to dump, then again, wait for the supports at 58k or 51. That's if you're swing trading. If you're doing day trading, you just go to the lower time frames, and you can look at that yourself. Maybe tomorrow or later next week we'll jump into the smaller time frames to look at some small positions. But right now, just looking long term, mid term to long term, because I'm talking about this summer. We have to get past that 71,500 After that, we're going to have that retest of our all-time high at just over 73,500. If we get past that, then I think this summer we could easily go up to 85, 90,000 US dollars. However, September, we have those pullbacks, and I could easily see like a 35, 40% pullback. So if we do go up to, let's say, 90k, and I think it'll be psychological, as soon as we get to 90k, we're not that far from 100k, but I don't think we're going to go straight past 100k straight away, because it will be human psychology, just human emotion. It's a massive figure, 6-figure Bitcoin for the first time in its history. I can't see us just blowing past it. I think we will come up to 85, 90,000. Then we have that 40% dump to get rid of all the retail, all the weak hands, the smart money, the big institutions. They will be possibly manipulating the market by then, dumping the prices down and buying Bitcoin a lot cheaper for that last parabolic ride past 100k. As soon as we get past 100k, then I think it will be very, very fast, like lightning, straight up to 200, 250, 300,000, because 100k is just that psychological aspect of 6 figures. As soon as we get into 6 figures, then I'm saying 150,000, and I think that's being conservative, but I think as soon as we get past 100, 200 really fast, and then possibly even 300,000. But that's just me. So let's just imagine we go to 90,000, and then we have that pullback 40%. That would take us all the way down, or 35% would take us down to 57, which is almost in line with the support, like I mentioned yesterday, at 58,000, and 40k is all the way down at 53. So again, it's at that other support of 52,000. So let me know what you think. So this summer, just in conclusion, I'm thinking that we're going to have a really good summer. We're going to jump outside of this consolidation. We're going to get out of it, hopefully, after 3 months. We come up to this level. September, we have that massive pullback. And then October through January, we have that blast off to 100 and beyond. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. If there's any questions, again, let me know. If you want me to go into this consolidation period a bit more, and any other lower time frames, let me know in the comment section below. So just in a nutshell for this video, like yesterday, don't panic when you see red days. What you should have been doing, what I did yesterday when I saw things down 30-35%, I bought more crypto. So I'm not going to tell you what I bought. The two genres that you know, if you've been following me, is AI and crypto gaming. So that'll give you an idea. So I bought more crypto in those two categories. Things were down 30-35%. It's the sales for me. So I was jumping into different positions, and then I'm happy because today we've gone up. Those coins that I bought are also up 20, 25, 30%. So that's exactly what you got to do when you see a red day, especially in a bull market. It is the sales. All right, guys and girls, thanks for sticking around to the very end. I've just been rambling on again for 20 minutes. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, smash up the like button as well. Well, that is the thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel and leave any comments in the section below, and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye bye.